The recruiter is giving you all the answers. It's right in front of your eyes. Focus on the job description and what the recruiter is actually seeking in a candidate. This will help you showcase your experience that will really matter to grab a recruiter's attention to want to reach out and contact you. And while what I taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing to get you to where you want to be in landing your next career opportunity. So, again, I encourage you to subscribe to get alerts every time I post new content on inside secrets to grab a recruiter's attention. And remember to check out my free on-demand job search training workshop. It's at www.poundingpavement101.com.